Hi everyone, my name is Catherine Kutseris. I'm the Product Marketing Manager here at Matrox Video. We're at InfoComm 2026 at the Matrox booth, right in front of our live event production pod, where we're showing different types of IPMX, ST2110, and NMOS products that we have available at Matrox, all coming together to do a realistic live production type of workflow. So here we have our ConvertIP series of encoders and decoders. What's cool is we have our SDM card form factor as well this year, which means that you can save space and cabling and maintenance by inserting it directly into an SDM capable monitor. Basically, these encoders and decoders allow you to grab feeds from different types of sources and then route them to different endpoints, all while going over your network. So doing live event production over IP makes it very efficient, very scalable, depending on the size of the network and your needs. And of course, we have interoperability with our other products or even third-party manufacturers that hold the IPMX standards in their products as well. It's easy to do switching using our APIs and ConvertIP NMOS routers and with presets that we create, so you can use something like a Stream Deck to quickly switch your feeds. So we have some cameras that are grabbing feeds from around the booth that we're bringing into our production and then outputting them here on the right, where we're showing our production, our produced feed at the end. So you can see there's a combination of the raw feed, some branding, some overlays, and it all comes together really nicely. Here we have our operator workstation where we're actually going over the network and taking control of the different types of technologies that we're using to do this production. So it all comes together in a really nice interoperable ecosystem, and this is possible because of the open standards, IPMX 2110, NMOS, and what we do basically at Matrox. Open standards are really at the heart of our product design philosophy here at Matrox. So if you want to learn more, come to our website or visit us on social media and reach out for a virtual demo. Thanks.